area of the apartments. Okay. Now, the reason this has been sub rosa and we're not pursuing this, Mr. Garrity and Levy Stearns, in my opinion, submitted a fraudulent claim because he was claiming from Mercury Insurance and Pegasus work that shouldn't have been done by International Village. When I said that to Mr. Garrity, I said, you're submitting a fraudulent claim. He said we had nothing else. Now, here's the bottom line. If Mercury Insurance comes back to us and says, wait a second, we checked back, and you asked for $4 million, we gave $1,250,000, you guys now ended up with $980,000, but we weren't supposed to give you back any of it, because all you put in is $240,000 of work that you shouldn't have done. You cannot double dip, and that is why we got paid wrong. Let me finish. You can shoot off your mouth when I'm finished. I'll be quiet.
Let him hang himself, Paul.
Very interesting.
Okay, so that's where it is. If they get wind of this and they come back in the next couple of years and say, well, you made a fraudulent claim, and they say, we want our money back, they may have a valid case and you have to go to court.
All we have to do is claim against Stearns under their errors of admission policy, and whatever they did the wrong thing. We didn't do the wrong thing.
He didn't know at the time he submitted those $240,000 that it was wrong.
The lawyer is ignorant?
No, he did not.
The lawyer is ignorant.
He asked the association for invoices.
Who made up the $4 million number?
He did.
He did. Well, then he's responsible.
He's
responsible.
Where's all the invoices for redoing the Heidelberg building, for redoing the interlocking
You
building?
tell me you're a construction.
You tell me, you just
No,
made a
no,
mistake.
I tell you too much, you tell me nothing but
You're
bullshit.
making bullshit.
Wait a second. You're his.
Mr. Samuels, talk good and talk.
Thank you, Scott. And you sound like you're really on my side. You're just saying the lawyer made a mistake, and we should protect the lawyer.
So what he's saying is, you're right,
Stuart. What's he saying?
you're right technically, but if we open up this box, so to
Right.
speak, then we could have to return $1 million. That's what he's
That's
saying.
fine. We'll return it from the lawyer's errors of admission policy. They're the one that did something wrong.
That's a
not us.
different lawsuit.
What?
That's a different
That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. But we're innocent. We didn't do anything. We didn't do anything.
Do it.
Thank you. So you're on our side.
No, I'm against you doing it, but if you want to do it, I can't stop you.
Okay. Very
Why do
good.
I want to
This is very, very helpful. Thank you very
It's
much.
gone, and we don't have.
His office, make an appointment with them, and let's see what the attorney says about it.
Yeah, right.
Spend more money.
Go to the attorney.
That's fine.
Well, Councilman is your savior. He's, God knows.
Well, at least,
I wonder who these guys are trying to protect here.
I know who they're trying to
Let's
protect.
go to Katzman, because I even question the validity of the invoices if the work even existed for what we were billed for.
Who'd you protest to?
Excuse me?
You said you didn't like them? So who did you protest to?
Protest for what?
I thought he seemed
Yeah,
to
what
think
did you-
you said
you said you-
protested something about the invoice.
I didn't protest.
Oh,
Of
he
course
didn't
not.
protest. He didn't.
Of course not.
Remember, you can't go to Katzman, it's
Well,
not
you know,
Katzman.
they don't
I'm
know.
questioning the wrong attorney. Some of the invoices, if the work even existed that was billed for.
All right. It's certainly worthwhile looking into it. According to Mr. Frederick's own admission, he said there's $280,000 that was paid to these people. And if it was paid properly, fine. But if it wasn't paid
I say
properly,
this.
we should get it.
Here's a construction consultant.
It's something we should look into.
Hired his son to do the work. You tell me if we got the right thing.
It's
I
something
say
we should look into.
Look into it.
Absolutely.
Doesn't hurt to look into it.
I say let's call up Katzman, let's get a hold of him. I want to go to the DA, but I'm holding back. I say go ahead, Katzman.
He's holding back. He hasn't done anything since he came in. So
Go through your
you
son.
don't have to do anything to hold back.
Don't pay any attention to that. Very good. Okay, let's call it that.
Go to the district attorney. Go
If
ahead.
there are no objections, the meeting will be adjourned. Are there any